here's our finished pouch. It's inside out. Now you see we have a lot of extra on here, depending on if you cut the fabric straight or depending on how well you sewed it. Now this interfacing definitely needs to be trimmed away, but so does some of this extra circle that's on there. So when you turn it out, it's a nice smooth pouch. So what I like to do is take my pinking shears, and of course I love Fiskars because they're sharp and they're strong and they're great. And then you want to just take your pinking shears, don't go too close to that thread. Now, what is this doing? Let's look at it this way. If you have all of this fabric and you try to squeeze it into a circle, it's going to start puckering up. Now, if you have V's cut into your fabric and you squeeze it together, there's going to be plenty of space so that it doesn't pucker up your edges. And that's what the pinking shears do. So we're just going to keep cutting, and I'm going to try to cut right through my zipper. There we go. See, again, Fiskars are nice because they're super strong, and not only will they cut away your fabric, they'll just eat right through that zipper. They're like dinosaur teeth.